Welcome to Regal Steel Products, manufacturer and distributor of stainless steel door handles and accessories. The company was established in 2010 at Rajkot. Reliable and trustworthy business policies make us different from others. Large production capacity, brilliant design, and fine finish make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide assortment of door kits, door latches, and tower bolts. Our door kits and all grips are best in the industry amongst others. We offer door latches and tower bolts that are in huge demand across the global markets. Door handles and stoppers offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Along with that, we offer door latches and kits for furniture making that are a class apart. We also provide door stoppers for commercial use and handle for house that are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.regalsteelproducts.com.